I noticed I had my two power plants here in the front of the Union Station area, and I've taken the other one up. It's just sitting over here for the time being because I wanted to show you this new item. What I thought about was the fact that all these coal cars had no way of getting the coal to the power plants because these are coal-fired power plants. This is back in the 40s and the 50s, and before coal became bad, so to speak. So what I've kind of imagined is all the coal cars here will dump their coal down through the tracks, and then there's some kind of a conveyor underground that'll bring it over to this lift house, and then this gets lifted up into this coaling tower, and then it gets distributed again underground to the power plants. So I'm going to put this one back in place, see how it fits, and so that's just another item I wanted to add to this area, make it look more industrial. What I did was I kind of used, and I'm going to hold this for a minute while I get up on my step. Sorry for moving around. I used the, I guess it was kind of the Western coal flood loader, something like that. And I just used it as kind of a model for this. And it worked out pretty good. I mean, is it museum quality? No, but it's good enough for my layout. So that's all I care about. I did have to, if I pull this back out, and I'll just set this over here, I did have to remove a little bit of track in here to get this because of the angle. Geometry is not my strong suit, never has been. So, but anyway, this is all, as I mentioned, modeled after the Western flood coal loader or coal flood loader, something like that. And I'm just doing it in the reverse direction. So I've added, these are ventilators. There's one on each side. There's some up here because of the coal dust. This is going to have to be weathered, but anyway, that's kind of what I've been doing the last few days. I'll put back in place, and hope everybody has a happy Easter, and we'll see you next time. Bye.